These are the career options or the opportunities, highly paying jobs that you can get if you know languages, foreign languages. Hello everybody, hi, welcome back to the channel. I am Kasturi and today I'm going to talk about a really interesting and exciting video. At least I'm excited, I hope you are too. A lot of people in India are not aware of the opportunities or the benefits or the jobs that you can get if you know foreign languages. And let me tell you, this is a very vast concept and it's something that can be explored a lot. So there are many ways of which you can start learning a foreign language in India. So as Indians, you always get this question, is the career option, what is your job like, how much you're getting paid? All of this is really common and the questions we get are really common. It's important to know that learning languages is a great career opportunity, is a great profession that you can follow, and I will tell you why. If you're learning, it doesn't matter which language you're learning, it doesn't matter where you're learning it from, unless it has to be a good source of learning, by the way. If you're learning a language which is not very famous, you have that opportunity, you have that advantage of making it famous, of making use of it, that you're somebody unique who knows that language. So if you know any foreign language, these are the career options or the opportunities, highly paying jobs that you can get if you know languages, foreign languages.
Let me check in my book. I've written it down. There are so many.
I'm sure you've heard of some of these. Even if you're doing a normal job, a corporate job, most of the companies in India are international, national companies, and knowing an extra language is always going to help, because every company always keeps expanding to foreign country. And if you go to foreign country, there are people speaking multiple languages, and if you are someone, if you're an employee, if there is an opportunity for you to go abroad and maybe work, you will be the one who are going to go because you know that language. Number one, and the most important one, and I feel it's so versatile, number one is being a teacher, being a tutor, a foreign language teacher. This kind of job is something that you can do being a freelancer. So if you're a freelancer, you can do multiple jobs at one time. This is one of the most important and versatile advantage of learning a foreign language, is that you can become a freelancer. Like, you know languages, you can do multiple things with it. I'm going to tell more about this. Keep watching. As Indians, we are good at English. We know English. We have been studying English for the longest time. We are good at English, and this is one of our plus points as a language learner. It acts as an advantage. So you can teach in schools, you can teach in colleges, you can take private tuitions, basically teach anybody else if you know it very well. And if you want to get to this qualification of teaching somebody, you have to give international exam, institutions which will provide you with the certificate, and then you can teach. I have friends who are of my age who have just graduated and they are teaching in their colleges. They teach French, German, and this is the best part about learning languages. There is no time limit to it. So if you can finish a language in 2 months, 3 months and give the exam, get passed, get a certificate, you can start teaching. And you can probably give exams within 2 years, 1 year. It entirely depends on you what you want to do with it. Another amazing thing as a teacher you can do is you can go abroad to teach English. As I told you that Indians are good at English, you can study a foreign language, for example French. You can master your degree in French, you can learn the complete levels, and then you can go to France to teach the French students English. This is a real thing, this is a real job. Again, I have friends who are doing this, who are staying in France and teaching the students English there. You get to travel, you get to stay there, you get to stay in a foreign country and work in a foreign country. I mean, what else do you want in life? When people are doing it and they're getting well paid, plus you're living abroad in a foreign country. I think it's really exciting. If you are interested in traveling and speaking languages, this is the perfect job for you. So definitely start learning if this sounds interesting to you and something that you can probably do. Job number 2 is flight crew. As fancy as it sounds, it's really highly paying and fancy and super interesting. If you want to be in a really good airline, knowing a foreign language is going to add a plus point, a bonus point for you for sure. Because the whole travel business is related to traveling abroad, meeting new people, meeting foreigners. And if you know a foreign language, you have a really good plus point of showing it as you can communicate to foreigners. If you're one of the candidates and you know a foreign language and the other person doesn't, there are high chances of you getting selected. Because it's such a universal concept, because there are so many people you're going to meet, knowing a foreign language will definitely help you, will definitely add in your CV. And of course, it's a really good paying job. It's a highly paying job. You need to get into the right company and you will enjoy it. Another amazing job that you can do if you know a foreign language is become a translator. It doesn't matter how much forward we move, how much advance we get, how much advance the world gets, machines can never replace a human. If you're a native French speaker and you're even fluent in English, you have the advantage of knowing French and English. So you're the best example who can translate a document, article from French to English or English to French. Translator job is something that you can definitely do as a freelancer. You can do it in regards of copywriting, writing in general. You can become a translator for a company. So definitely think of it. The fourth job, which is going to be highly paying and really good, is becoming an interpreter. Now please don't get confused between interpreter and translator. Interpreter is someone who is like a bridge between between two people. Translator is somebody who's taking this, translating it and giving back. I just hope you understood that. Again, this is a really important job in the corporates that you can get, and you can become a freelancer doing this job as well. You don't have to work full-time with one company or one corporate. And if you have to work with one company and one corporate, they will pay you tons of money. Basically what an interpreter does is, if there are two parties, one is speaking German, one is speaking French or English, and they both cannot understand each other and they want to work together or get into a contract. Now I will be the person who will make them understand what it is and how it is. So I will be an interpreter for both of them. This is what an interpreter does. It's the bridge that brings these two people together. So you never know what opportunity you're going to get if you know languages, but you will get opportunities. Another exciting job is of international sales marketing. Most people in India get into marketing, and now that you're digitally marketing things, you are going to meet a lot of people from outside your country. If you get a job, there are chances you have to interact with people who are not from your country, and there are chances you will get to go abroad and interact with your clients. You will get this opportunity if you know that language. So if you're studying marketing or you're maybe doing MBA, if you learn a foreign language right now, this is going to really help you. Job number 6 is to work in embassy. Now trust me, this is a really good paying job. If you know languages, this is going to be like, you're going to be a star, a shining star with a lot of money. There is a German embassy in India, there is a French embassy in India, all country embassies in India, and there is an Indian embassy in France or Germany. So if you work in these embassies, you are going to get a really good chance of traveling. You're going to get a really good chance of earning lots of money and living a really good life. So if you're even a little bit excited by knowing this point, you should research more on it. And if you want any help from us, you can comment down below or DM us. We're always available to help. Another fun career or profession that you can do is journalism. Again, this is also a really exciting one. If you're interested to travel, if you're interested to know stories of people from around the world, to know the stories, you got to understand what you're talking. On number 9 is you can become a language corporate trainer. Every corporate nowadays, they have these seminars which they train their employees. Again, I told you, nowadays companies are becoming international, national. They have clients from around the world, and for this purpose, the employees need training of learning a foreign language. You have to work for your own self. You need to develop your personality and your language in a manner that you can give training to these people who are working in corporates. Another one on a really fun and creative side is you can become a content writer, editor. In this field, again, if you know languages, you can take projects which are international. You can do some content writing you can do it for magazines, you can do it for newspapers as well. These kind of jobs you can again do as a freelancer. You can take tens of projects, work on your own, earn a lot of money, you get opportunity to travel as well. Last but not the least, and a really important one, is that you can become an intelligence operator for government agencies. If you're working for government, you have to deal with different governments, different agencies all around the world, and becoming an intelligence operator, you have to deal with a lot of documents to analyze it, to study those documents. To know a foreign language, it's really going to be helpful to grow yourself, maybe get a higher position, maybe go abroad and work. I hope the video helps you. I hope you get inspired to do any of these careers and make it your profession, make it your career. I hope you guys got inspired to do something. Any of these careers and professions really require you to know the language really well. And in general, if you're doing any kind of job, you know the language, you know a foreign language really well, you are going to create a lot of opportunities for yourself. If you want to start learning languages, comment down below or DM us on Instagram or email to us. All the details are there in the description box. And if you have any questions related to the video or any profession that we mentioned, let us know. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, if you want to tell somebody these professions exist and these are the things you can do if you know languages, share the video, share it to everybody, and subscribe if you liked. Bye. See you in the next video.